Celebrations are on. Let's start with a song for you.
Sir, welcome back. Ay, ayos na tayo dyan.
To see a smile on your face, share your joy and happy days.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yan, nandito po ako ngayon sa lodge na aming tutuluyan at dyan po magaganap ang kaarawan ng aking asawa. Kaya lang, ayan, ibababa ko lahat ng gamit. So, samahan nyo ako sa birthday ng aking asawa. Tignan natin kung anong pwede natin magawa dito. Ayan ang place. Guys, buhat time.
What?
This is my bar.
Woo!
Show me all the things. Well, we're now starting now to decorating and then blowing the balloons. Because this is disaster, I don't have helium. I can't provide the helium. So, guys, ito. Guys, konting kaalaman. Filipino style. I don't have any helium. So, I'm gonna use this air.
What?
Mga bukas na kami matatapos na ito. So guys, ito lang ha. Technique. Tuturo ko lang sa inyo ha. Nakita niyo yan. Ha? Kailangan lang natin ng key. Tusukin. Yan. And then ipasok. Yan. Ipasok niya to. Yan. And then bomba. See? Helium? No problem. Diba? Okay na. And then, yung tape niya, meron siyang tape. May lock na siya. So, ayan. So, yun guys. Done. Ready for tomorrow. 50th birthday for my darling. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good night. tayong at meron tayong mga mag-greet sa kanya. So, please watch this.
Happy 50th birthday, Fritzy. I hope you have a great day. I'm sure Michael and the family have got something really special planned for you. It's all downhill now. Okay, you have a great time. Take care. Bye.
Girls, happy 50th birthday!
Welcome to the club.
I love you, partner.
I love you, Part. I love you, Mama.
Mads, I love you.
Happy 50th, Preach.
Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo ay sana maging masigla ka lagi, malakas, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming biyaya at sana pagtapos ng pandemic magkita-kita ulit tayo. I love you. I love you, love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Bes, happy birthday. Happy 25th birthday. 25 ka na. Ako kasi kaka-23 ko lang. So, okay lang yun. Kahit tumatanda tayo ng konti, at least ang importante, healthy tayo. Diba? Shh. Tayo na nakakaalam nun. Okay? Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Ayun, no? Ngayong hour na to, napakahalaga kasi birthday ngayon ni Ate Fritzy. Ate Fritzy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Miss ko na kayo. Sobrang tagal natin hindi nakita, pero nakikita ko naman na okay kayo dyan. God bless and sana magkasama-sama tayo soon. Ingat kayo palagi. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Maring Fritzy. Gusto ko lang bumati na happy birthday sa iyo. Uy, balita ako, 50 ka na? Bah, wala sa itsura. Parang 49 ka lang, tapos birthday mo ngayon ah. Hindi, biro lang. Pero totoo, wala sa itsura. Pero, lola ka ngayon. Pero, bata pa ng apo mo, kalalabas lang. So, hindi talaga, wala talaga sa itsura, di ba? Pero alam mo, ito gusto ko lang maging totoo din, ha? Alam mo, isa ako sa bumibilig at humahanga sa samahan niyo ni Michael. Dahil alam ko na ang pinagdaanan ninyo ay para talagang butas ng karayom, pero patuloy kayong magkasama at patuloy kayong nagmamahalan. Kaya, saludo. At sana matapos na rin itong pandemic para magkita-kita na tayo at magkaroon na tayo uli ng salo-salo para makabalik na kayo uli dito sa Pilipinas. Basta, mag-ingat kayo dyan sa UK at alam ko masaya kayo bilang isang lolo't lola ngayon. At mahal na mahal ko kayo. God bless you and see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Fritzy, from Biri Island, Northern Samar, Philippines. Happy birthday!
Hello, Maring Pichi. Happy birthday sa'yo. Grabe, tagal na natin hindi nakikita. Pero ganun talaga. Kailangan na lumayo para sa pamilya. Pero saludo ko dahil at least ginagawa niyo yan para sa pamilya niyo. Kayong dalawa ni Mike. Kaya naman happy birthday at good luck pa sa future nyo dyan sa England. And hopefully, makauwi na kayo pag okay na ang lahat. Para makapagkita-kita naman tayo. Ingat lagi kayo dyan, Mare. And pakikis na lang ako kay paring Mike. God bless you at another blessing na naman dahil meron na kayong apo, lola ka na. So, enjoy nyo yan. God bless you. Ingat kayo palagi. Stay safe and stay healthy. Happy birthday, Mare!
Hello, Piche! Happy 40th birthday sa iyong 10th anniversary. Diba? Clever, diba? Enjoy your day. I'm wishing na you stay happy, stay young, stay in love, and you are a wonderful, wonderful mom and a wife. Take care of yourself, and please, 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 please be safe, okay? Happy birthday. Big love, big love. Bye. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Fritz! Happy birthday! Ayan, God bless you. And I hope may celebrate mo siya ng maayos at mag-enjoy ka kasama ng family mo. Ang wish ko sa'yo, syempre, yung health mo, pati sa buong pamilya mo. At sana maraming blessings ang dumating sa'yo, sa buong pamilya nyo ni Mike. And hopefully soon, magkaroon tayo ng mini reunion. Pag magkita-kita tayo, sana. So, happy birthday and enjoy your special day.
Hi, Golden Girl! Wow, 50 years old ka na. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Para ka lang 25 years old. Anyways, I wish you all the best. Stay safe, pati ikaw and family mo. Stay healthy. I wish you a happy birthday. I wish magkakasama tayo ngayon, but next time, enjoy your birthday. I love you. I miss you. Bye!
Hi, Ate Fritchie. This is Isaiah. Say hello. Hello. Happy 50th birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Ate. Wish we were there to celebrate with you all. But hopefully, when we can travel again, maybe you can do another celebration in the Philippines. We miss you. We miss you all. We love you. Take care, and hopefully we can see you guys soon.
Fritzy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Congratulations nga pala kay Keso. Pogi nun.
Oo nga, pogi. Fritzy, wish you all the best in this life. Wish you all good health, long life, and more blessings from God. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Love you, Fritzy.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Yes, first of all, ako muna mag-message sa'yo. Happy birthday, and I know na nag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And you're 50 now. Pero just think young lang. Young at heart. Yan. Enjoy ka, and I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Hopefully, you're having a nice day. Kasama ka namin ngayon, probably right next to you. Hopefully, more blessings to come for you. Yeah, just enjoy your day. Love you. And I'll arrange your date soon.
Happy birthday, Mimi. Hope you have a great one. Love you.
Birthday, Tita. Mano. Wow, 50 ka na. Still young.
Sorry I can't get Jungkook for your birthday. Sinabi niya kasi.
Manager ka. I hope your hair's curly. Love you.
Happy birthday, Che. Diyan kami ngayon. Ano ba sabihin ko? Yeah, hindi natuloy yung party na gusto mo. Pero kahit na, ang importante, mas isipin mo na lang yung mga blessings na meron kayong to be able to wake up every day, na safe ang family mo, safe tayong lahat, meron tayong mga trabaho, andyan si Kenzo. So, ang wish ko lang sa'yo na enjoy life, kasi 50 ka na, less stress, mas be more appreciative sa mga bagay na meron ka, at wag ka mag-focus sa kung anong wala, and mas mag-focus ka kay God, sa happiness mo, and sa goals mo pa rin. Kahit 50 ka na, alam ko marami ka pa rin plano sa buhay. Basta andito lang ako, andito lang kami. Kahit na mga kahit anong pinagdaanan mo, lagi mo akong kasama. Basta, go, go, go! 50! 50 and fabulous! I love you!
Okay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Bye!
Happy birthday, Che! Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na? 50 na. Tama ka, 50.
Happy birthday. Sayang, hindi natuloy yung mga plano natin sa 50th birthday mo. Di bale, babawi tayo next time pag wala ng pandemic. Wish ko lang, Mini. Wish ko lang magtuloy-tuloy yung blessings pa ni Lord sa ating lahat, sa inyo lalo. Kay Kenzo, new member ng family. Sana makita na namin siya. Yun lang, at alam naman namin na maligaya kayo ngayon. Stay safe lang and good health. Ayun. Enjoy lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Fritzy. We love you so much. Stay safe always and see you soon.
Yeah, happy birthday. Tapuin ka na. Sayang nga, hindi natuloy ang plano natin na uwi kayo ngayong May. Sana next year, medyo maging okay na yung pandemic na yan para magkasama-sama tayo ulit. Ayun lang, ingat palagi. We love you. Happy birthday.
Sa taong lubos na naging malapit sa akin, sa taong naging mahalagang parte ng aking buhay, nais kitang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana ay maging masaya ka. Lubos kitang minamahal. Ang iyong nag-iisang dot, Ives. Love you, tita.
Ni-irog.
Ako na. Happy birthday, my dear. Sabi ni daddy mo, happy birthday rin ha. I wish you more birthdays to come. At huwag kang mapan. Talagang dumadaan sa tao yung problema, pero mararausan mo lahat yan. Tandaan mo yan. Basta, nandito lang si Mami. Kung ano mang kailangan mo, yung nasa sa loob mo, andito lang ako at karamay mo ako. I love you so much. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. I hope you enjoy your day. Love you. Happy birthday, Tita. I hope you enjoy your 50th. We all love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Hope you enjoy your day. Alam mo, mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you. And Kenzo says, say happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you. Love you.